Hey, hey! What are you doing with your hand? It's a battle between two teams, greens versus armbands. Every player on the field is looking for their team's coloured chemical. When found, it can only be touched and contained by the team's specialist. Do you want to crawl over here, mate? Nice and slow, nice and slow. It seems I'm late to the party and the specialist has dealt with one of the chemicals already. There's bound to be some more in that derelict building up ahead. I'll use the trench network to try and stay undetected. Hit! Shot, mate! This is just the start of the chaos waiting to unfold. Sorry, man. Medic! Oh, 50-50, man, 50-50. Green medic!
Green medic! I'll take a green medic. Medic.
Cheers, mate. He's on our team. You left him. You walked past him.
I thought he was red. Medic. I'll take a green medic. I'll switch sides.
Yeah.
I saw you red band, I thought you was red.
Hey, Foxy, we've got red straight in front of you. Another one there. I saw movement. Yeah, the ghillie guy's coming this way. He's probably about 60 metres, my 12. Now I might be wrong here, but some fishy business starts to unfold. Now, has this player that I just took out got a problem with his wrist, or is he trying to signal one of his team that's nearby? Generally, a global rule in airsoft is dead players tell no tales. Hey, hey!
Yeah?
What are you doing with your hand? Saying no.
What am I waving at? Is somebody over there?
You're dead. You shouldn't even be doing hand movements at all, mate. Going like this. You're alright. I'll have a word with the marshal. I'm going to shut up now.
You had a sniper round go over your head. Oh no, you're going to go for my head. I've got a full face mask on, mate.
What? He just told me that I had a sniper round go over my head.
Oh, okay. I thought you said you were going to shoot me in the head.
Oh.
Did you hear it?
No. I was too busy arguing stupidly. Another rule in airsoft is do not argue with other players on the field. If you've got a problem, go to a marshal. So I should have just kept my mouth shut. we need to get this suit up here, man. We need to get it up here. There's a bottle here.
Yeah, roger. We'll make our way up there now.
Friendlies, yeah? We've got a...
There's the suit, we just need the container.
You might as well get the suit on, I guess. Do you want me to get that back, mate? I'll get that back, yeah?
Watch windows, watch windows, you'll come to the front.
The rain's gone now, and I've ditched the waterproof loadout for my ghillie and bolt action sniper. They're at our tyre fort. I've got him. There's another one in the tyre fort still. Bit of medic. We've driven the enemy team out for now, but they seem to be pushing this location hard. Is one of their chemical containers in this area? I'm sure they'll be back, and in greater numbers. Do we know where their container is in here?
Excuse me.
Sorry, mate.
The bottle's there.
The bottle, that's what I mean. Oh, that's the bottle there, is it? Right. I'm going to set up shop and give the enemy a big warm welcome when they arrive. I think it's just me left in there. Can I get some backup?
Okay, on the way.
Surrender! Ah, hit!
Ah, my first catch. I think I'll use this one as bait.
Red hit! Red hit! I'm not standing, I'm not sitting down because my leg hurts. Hit! Good shot! Red medic.
Green medic.
Red medic first.
Green medic first.
No.
On the left, red.
I was hit first. Shotgun medic. Ah! Red medic! That was in exactly the same spot as last time. That really hurt. Ah! Right, dead man walking. Don't forget you can crawl at that. Yeah.
That's a war crime!
Dead man! Ah, hit! Right, dead man walking, let out! Crawl back here. Crawl back. Me. Dead man. First time I've seen it work that well close up. It's good. Don't really want to be saved. So you get shot in the back as well, did you? By this f***ing Wookie. Ah! Yeah, sorry.
I appreciate your acting skills all day long, mate. I really do. For some more stealthy gameplay, check out the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.